Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Big day today. I just hit 50,000 subscribers and well, I gotta give something away now. So that's right, 50,000 subscribers finally made it, and today we're gonna have a subscriber contest just like the ones we've had before. So let's start by talking about what you can win. It's this. So once again, Solo Music Gear has generously offered to sponsor the contest. We're going to be giving away this guitar kit. Well, actually, not this specific one, but the exact same one. It's a Stratocaster, one of the easiest guitars to customize and do pretty much whatever you want to. And I'm going to start building this one right around the same time that the winner receives theirs so they can follow along. So that's it, guys. A Stratocaster guitar kit that you can do whatever you want to. That's the prize, and international. We'll make the contest available everywhere. Now let's talk about what you're going to need to do to win. As always, we're going to do this one random draw style. So you're just going to do things to get yourself entries, and then I will generate a number at random and select the entry that corresponds with that number. Prerequisite, it is a subscriber contest. You have to be subscribed. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, hit that button. Probably a good idea. I mean, I make videos. You should watch some of them. And to get your first entry, you're going to comment below and let me know what your first modification would be if you had this kit. What's your first upgrade? What are you putting in it that doesn't come in this box right here? Next up, follow the link in the description to my Instagram page. Follow me on Instagram and comment on the post associated with this as well. It's going to be a picture of the box, spoiler alert. And let me know what you would do for a paint job. What kind of paint? What color? Get creative with it if you want. What is this going to look like when you're done? Third, follow the other link in the description to Solo Music Gear's Facebook page. They're starting to carry luthier tools right away here. So stuff to do guitar setups and general luthiery work. So let them know what your favorite luthiery tool would be to see on their website. So those are the first 3 entries. I'm also going to give an additional 2 entries as a thank you to anybody who has supported me and is supporting me on Patreon. It doesn't matter how much they're supporting me for. So for those of you who are my bigger supporters, really appreciate it. But this isn't a pay-to-win system. I'm just trying to give a thank you to everybody who's helped me out, because you helped me pay for the cost of doing these tutorials, getting the equipment, stuff like that. So big thank you to everyone who's involved in that, and 2 entries for that without having to actually post anything. Thank you. This contest is going to be open until the end of this month, so midnight, August 31st, 2018. That is the deadline. Get your entries in before then. At that time, I am going to put in the last few from that last hour and compile the list and mix it all up. And then the next day, I will generate my random number and we'll know who the winner is. So get all your entries in. Thank you guys so much for all your support and for watching. I'm stoked to be at 50,000. I know some YouTubers out there have numbers that just completely dwarf that, but for me, this is a pretty big deal. So thank you all. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Good luck in the contest. You were probably hoping I'd unbox this thing, weren't you? Sorry. We'll do that after the contest. We'll do the whole build. Don't worry, it's coming. Thanks for watching.